Today I'm making a super easy and super delicious fruity dessert with puff pastry. Let's jump right into it. I've laid out a sheet of puff pastry. It's about 275 grams. I'm cutting my puff pastry into 6 squares, and then within each square I cut corners about 1.5 centimeters away from the edge. For the filling, I combined a tablespoon of cream cheese and 1 tablespoon of sweet strawberry jam. I combine these two ingredients briefly and pour about a teaspoon on each square. I have sliced about 6 strawberries and distribute these slices in a flower-like arrangement on each square. Then I press the corners of the squares together and brush on a light coat of egg. My oven has been preheating to 200 degrees Celsius. These are going to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. Puff pastries are never complete without powdered sugar, so I dust a generous amount on each pastry and then I'm ready to serve. If you would like to see more easy, delicious recipes like this one, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes, including some fondant art and Persian-inspired recipes. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.